Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can put timestamps on Google Sheets. So first, over here at the top left, click on File, then click on Settings, then click on Calculation. Then you just want to make sure that this option is turned on, and just click on Save Settings. Then just want to go ahead and copy this formula to where you want the timestamp to appear, and just make sure that you're going to put an equal symbol before the formula. And then you just want to go ahead and copy the formula, then click on enter. Then you just want to click on the cell again. Then you just want to drag the edge of the cell towards the bottom, and after that, just click on the checkbox here and the timestamp will automatically appear. But if your timestamp appears like so, just click on the column, and then over here at the top, click on more formats, then click on date and time, and there you go. Thanks for watching.